Well, here's my truck bed camper. It's a little dirty. But yeah, I got these things right here from IKEA. They got storage in each one. I'll put my food, my clothes, whatever. And it fits pretty good. I got this carpet, got it at Lowe's. Got this Reflectix on the bottom. Got lights right there in the corner. Right there, right there. One right there. One right there. They change light, they change color. Let me get the remote. Got a remote. That one's on. This one's on. Ah. Good. Oh, it's that one. Batteries are out of that one. It's all good. But yeah, I could change the color. The blue. Red. Is that green? Then it also changes, multiple colors. But yeah. And then I'll have my water 5-gallon jug either in that corner or right here. But I got enough room. I'll have my inverter over here in this corner, 400 watt. I think I might have to get a bigger one for coffee. I'm not sure. For the Keurig single serve, I have to look at the wattage on that. But yeah, the tailgate closes up. Let me turn off these lights. Off, yeah. Oops. Closes up. It's nice and snug. Got a little bit of room, but not too much. But, it works. Yeah. And the 08 Colorado. These are 25 square inch. Nice and comfortable. So I was able to get 3 from IKEA. I think they were $80 each or 60. I think they're 60 bucks. So 180. I mean, it sure does beat, building one. Then I could take them out, out. And even with the tailgate closed, I'm able to get into them. And then this is all soft and cushiony and everything. Still gotta get the curtains on. But yeah, there it is. My truck bed camper. 08 Chevy Colorado Single cab. Oh honey, my hair's all messed up. But anyways, on a side note, I'm 5'7", maybe a little taller, 5'7.5", I don't know. But I can fit in here. Gotta scrunch down a little bit. Okay. But my feet are touching the front of the bed of the cab, and I still have this much room. Take it, this is a 6-foot bed, and I can fit in there. So if you're about 6 feet, it'll probably be a little bit cramped, but anyone shorter than that, it would do good. And I still have room here. So if my son wants to go with me camping, he's a 6-footer. He'll have this much space to go sleeping while I get the bed. So, okie dokie. Peace out.